One day I remember I got a text from a client. I remember picking up the phone, looking at it, and it was the worst case scenario that I could get as a beginner. It said, "We need to talk, we all hate this." And at the time I was running Facebook ads for roofers, and I didn't know if Facebook ads were the best method to deliver leads to the clients. I remember when I was a beginner, I was giving the leads to them in a spreadsheet or via email, and I didn't know whether my services were really valuable or how much can I offer to this local business in value. I was feeling like I was in a rat race, and also that I was losing clients every 2 to 4 months, and I was in this cycle which I had to break through of. And let me tell you, this is actually very normal in the SMMA space, that beginners only have their clients for 3, maybe 4 months. But after I have realized that there is GoHighLevel and I can actually book them appointments, I could break through of this vicious cycle. So I was giving them 1,000,000 leads, and you can do everything well, but if the local business owner is not trained at sales, you won't have any great results. Because what I have realized is that they got the leads, and sometimes the customers are at work and the business owner calls them, they cannot pick up, and after that, what is insane to me, they have stopped calling them. So I did everything right, and they were bad at sales, and I couldn't figure out anything how to actually solve this problem. So after I have booked them appointments, I solved it with 3 text messages which are going out after they are booking an appointment. So they just book a call, and there is a specific time when they have to pick up the phone and the business owner have to call them. So it is really convenient for the customer and also the business owner, and you can have much better conversions with this model. Also, only businesses that can actually have great results with leads are the ones who have a sales team and who are really big, and yeah, they can actually stay with you for like a year or something, because that's the ultimate goal if you are running an SMMA agency. But if you are working with small businesses, I really advise you to book appointments and remind them of the appointments, both the business owner and the leads, and you actually have to nurture the leads, implement an automated system, which is really cool that you can set up inside this software. So the main thing I want to emphasize here is that you have to offer follow-up services and appointment booking services if you want to have your clients stay for 6, 7, 8, even a year. I have clients who are staying with me for like 16 months at the time, at this time, because I give them appointments for roofers and they are very happy with my services. Before this model, you had to train these local business owners on how to set appointments and everything. But at the moment, we are actually experimenting with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT sends text messages on our client's behalf, and I am going to update you on how this is going. But yeah, this is kind of cool. Let's talk about the technical part of this whole system. So first we are having a landing page, then an appointment booking page, and only after that a thank you page. So even if you are running Facebook ads and you are having a form that the customers need to fill out, you can put a submit button, and when they click it, you direct them to an appointment booking page. But if you are using Google Ads, you have to have a strictly landing page. And after they have booked an appointment, they get a text message, and also you are showing them a lot of references on the thank you page. So this is much better than giving them leads, because if they are seeing the references, they get text messages, they are getting warmed up, because they are not just cold leads, they are becoming warmer leads. After we have implemented this whole system for our clients, we have seen 3 new changes. We have booked more appointments, they fell in love with the service, and the clients actually stayed on longer. And even if they have stopped using ads because they wanted to stop for 1, 2 or 3 months, we have installed it for their website, this whole system, and we have collected leads from their website. So this is why we have switched to this SaaS model, which is software with a service, and they are still paying us $300 per month for the lead catching, the reputation management, and everything we are talking about on this channel. You can check out the other videos, and I will make a lot of tutorial videos on how to use this GoHighLevel platform and how you can use these smart features, these AI tools for the website, because it's really powerful. The way that you want to use this system for the clients is actually you have to tell them you should download Lead Connector app, which is connected to GoHighLevel, and also use a workflow which you have to build out, that the client clicks on the lead, and if they have booked an appointment, it moves the lead into a booked appointment stage. And when the end of the month, you can tell the client, I'm not just bringing you 30 leads, I'm bringing you 30 leads and 20 booked appointments. And sometimes clients forget to mark it, but you can actually ask them how many of the appointments did you close on the check-in call, what you should do every 2 weeks or every 1 month. I actually call them every week to give them a very great service, because I have experienced that even if your ads are not performing the best, because everybody has some months where they are a bit struggling with the ads or the system, they see that you are actually trying and working on the whole system. Alright, just to be clear, the results you can give to the local businesses with this new appointment booking model is that they get higher show-up rates on meetings, because the customers have actually a time in their calendar and they get notified when they have to show up and take a call. They are having fewer complaints from clients because they don't say that the leads are bad, because they are notified, they confirm the call and everything. Also, they are easier to sell, the prospects are qualified and much warmer than cold leads. And the fourth thing is that there are more repeat customers and clients, because they have a much smoother sales process, and every customer loves a smooth sales process where they can just click some buttons and take a call, check out the references, and have everything in place as it should. Also, if you want everything set up for you and save yourself a bunch of time, you can actually click the link below in the description, and you will have built-out automations, built-out websites, agency snapshots, and also niche-specific snapshots for you. And I'm having a coaching call every week in my school group, and a Q&A call, so feel free to ask any questions, and I'm here to help. And I really appreciate that you have watched this whole video. Thank you for that. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will make every week a GoHighLevel tutorial just for you to understand this software, how you can use it, how you can sell it, and how you can automate your local business.